Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is a few tips and tricks on PUBG Battlegrounds on PC, okay, to improve your game and make you more efficient. Now guys, the first tip that I'm going to recommend you try is just master a few weapons. I know that it's very tempting to, be picking up new weapons every single game, but in this game it's very important to kind of know the different spray patterns of the different weapons, okay? In particular, the assault rifles, as you can see here. So for example, if I try to, spray this whole, wall in here, as you can see, this kind of makes a certain drawing, okay? I'm just gonna let go of my mouse right now. I'm just gonna press the right click, the left click, and this is what you get, okay? You get this kind of spray pattern, okay? So what are you gonna do if you wanna control this? You're basically gonna just move your mouse downwards and then slightly to the left and to the right again to kind of control this and to get it very tight, as you can see in here. Okay, so this is something that you have to do with every weapon that you want to use. You kind of have to learn the spray pattern, similar to how it works in Counter-Strike, okay? And if you can do this with a few weapons, with a few good weapons, then you're good to go and you're going to be much more efficient. I'm going to recommend that you try the M416 for the assault rifles and also like the Mini 14 or SLR for, the sniper rifles and things like that, okay? So just try these weapons and let us know how it goes. Also, you have to master the lean and peek mechanic, okay? Which you can just move around a corner and you can see who is behind the corner, okay? And you can just do this, very slowly in order not to expose too much of your body, okay? And you can just press also the E and the Q keys, as you can see here, and that's gonna expose a little bit more of your body. There you go, guys, okay? So this is something quite simple. Now, also remember to use well your frag grenades. That's very important. And make sure to use your communication system, your voice chat, and things like that, effectively in order to be useful to your teammates. Okay? So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much.